They lowered the chase. What do you mean the chase? Of the boss and that?
I'm talking about
The, like-
Chance. He doesn't know how to spell.
Oh, yeah. That'll be his spelling. I'll get a stun when you like come back to base. Wait for Hacky Man. Actually, never mind. We don't need him. It's too late anyway.
Teammates pinging danger. I will go help him.
I'm not gonna ping the danger emote. Yeah, did you hear that sound? Oh, bro.
So bad at this game, bro.
I almost got a second kill, bro.
Hey, China guy. Nice. Bye, China guy.
Can you redo his thing?
Didi. Oh,
This is
what
a
the?
tanker guy. Guys, I'm bullying him right now. I'm tanker aim.
Bro.
You can literally solo him right now, guys.
And you're dead. Bye. Who else wants a piece up? Oh, hey, kiddo.
Oh, I almost knocked it off. Wait, let me knock that miner off.
No, because
Oh
it's not
my
close,
God.
though. It's not close, though.
Yeah, bro.
That's why it's funny, though. Yeah, I
Ink.
saw that you knocked that guy off.
There's no Anthony coming. Wait, I can't. Wait, come on, knock. They're scared, bro. They're scared.
Nice, that's one.
Yeah, bro. Oh my God.
I'll just clean this. Go ahead. Thank you. It's you off. Nice. Well, all trends must come to an end, so.
No, they. Oh, bro. How did I kill that guy?
How? You have 4 kills as a whisper!
Bro, oh my God. How do I have the same amount of kills as you?
Bro, this is actually like my goat right here, bro.
This is bullying, bro. This guy over there. Oh, that's our teammate. I'm sad.
Nah, but I've been bullying kids this game too, bro.
Wait,
Bro,
why
bro,
did Hacky Man
bro, you're
give
the reason I'm
teammate...
able to quote unquote 2v1 everyone, bro.
Yeah, wait, why did Hacky Man give teammate a healing sign, bro? He's farmer. Oh, I should have knocked that guy off.
What the f-
Oh, oh, fuck.
W, what?
I accidentally pressed V.
Bro, you're actually sped, bro.
I know. I have more kills than you. I'm better.
Iron, sir.
Here, Iron.
Ruin, how did
I
you
think
sell that
teammates
bad?
trying to like.
What the f-
Oh, my fly's on cooldown, so. Well, we need to make like bridges where they have walls on them.
No, bro, that's sped. Just
No, like one block tall wall, like it's like a handrail. If that makes sense. Or a bigger bridge that works too.
bro, your aim is not that good, bro. Chill.
I mean, he did knock you off, so.
But I was walking forwards in a straight line. Thank you, man.
If he stole the garden, that would be so sped. Hold on, let me fight that guy. I'm gonna let a whisper do more damage than you.
Bro, your aim is not even good, bro.
Why did I fight you?
Chill out, little bro. 3 M's? Thank you so much. Bro's a whole charity out here. Thank you, man.
Wait, oh no, you're trying to block, bro. I can't knock that guy off. It's like Team Creek. Whatever.
I put M's in the chest for teammate, by the way, so don't take.
W.
Don't get no L yet. I would say probably not. Who
Oh,
are
you gave
you,
me
bro? Who are you? W, he's dead. Bro, you have 6 kills.
I'm stealing all of your kills. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god!
Bro, I got a double kill of Whisper. Triple kill, triple kill. No.
Bro, that's actually sad, bro. This is so fun, bro.
How do I have 7 kills as Whisper?
Watch this be 8. Oh my god, nice one, fool. Oh, fly?
Oh, fly. Yeah, it's fly.
Bro really thinks he's escaping this.
Oh, what the hell is he
What is
doing?
that IQ, bro?
WIQ.
Hey, Miner.
Hey, yo, a miner. What? Oh, I got killed. Somebody, like, randomly killed me. Well, can we build blocks at the, like, back of the basement? Oh, yes, teammate, give me 604 iron.
Bro, what is this kid's IQ, bro? Why is it so low?
I'll
Like,
come back
guys,
to base
orange is
because I
literally
died.
free meat, bro.
Hey, yo, what does that mean? Every day, I know that I meet you. I'm gonna whisper farmer.
No, bro. That's bad.
No, but accurate is also Noah him. Bro, how did the farmer have 6 kills?
Okay, that's 1 dead. And that's 2 dead. Nice. GG. Bye. Oh, I'm dead. I don't even care that I died, though, because I've just been taking
Oh,
everything
you
out.
died. Let me whisper. Oh, that's not the farmer. Wait, are you getting whisper? Check chest, worms.
Okay, thank you.
Oh, actually, yeah, don't do that. Farmer reads.
Yeah, farmer needs. I've been semi-popping off. I have 11 kills, but I've died like 3 times to stupid things.
Bro, I've been popping up.
Yes, bro. Moon's been cooking hardest.
Hey, kill it. Okay,
Who are you? What are
I
you
think
trying to
Maria
do?
stop.
Bro, the question is, what are you trying? Like,
I
I
was trying to run away,
understand,
bro.
bro, but like, it's not. Por favor, man. Por favor. Why are you so dumb? Por
Oh,
favor, man. You too, bro. Why are you so dumb? Stop trying to fight me. It doesn't work. Por favor, man. Why are you so dumb?
where did that
Why
guy
are you
come from?
trying to fight me,
You're dead.
bro?
Oh,
It
you're
does not work, bro. Por favor, bro.
Oh my god.
Oh,
R. I flew.
I just need a little
Oh,
healing time down here. Let me see.
danger emote.
Por favor, man. Why are you trying to fight me, bro? It
Oh,
doesn't work,
did I?
bro.
I just got my 8th kill. Behind you.
Bro, it doesn't matter. It's not close. It is not close. And you too, bro. Don't think you're safe either. Like, just because your teammate came in, like, does not mean anything, okay? Bro,
Bro, the random pink guy's blowing again. I don't know why he's blowing.
wait, let him cross the bridge. Let him cross the bridge.
Yeah. No,
Nice.
he's gonna camp there though. He's gonna camp there.
I'm on 5 kill streak without even trying, bro.
But I'm preventing him from TPing, so he has to come to you.
Oh my god, he's actually a mid. That's crazy.
That guy's blowing you now.
It doesn't matter, bro. Remember, it's not close. Yo, it's actually kind of close, though. Hold up. Oh, we're
No,
cutting
because
this.
I bowled him and I prevented him from TPing.
Bro, I can't heal. Heal me. Heal me.
I already healed you. Please. Bro, you've taken more
Spam
damage
the
from diamond
emote.
ingredients.
I have 17 diamonds on me. Am I about to get every single diamond NPC in the whole game?
Oh my god, you have 21 kills, bro. And I have 9 kills.
Bro, I just took down every single diamond generator. Imagine they let me... Bro, they're just about to let me escape with all of this, bro. Oh my... I have
Bro,
26 emeralds! Or
oh my
diamonds, bro.
god, bro.
Oh my god. 18 diamonds in total. 12 M's. 800 iron. What do you even spend with this money?
Well, age. Oh my god, bro. Wait, this game is like the best game
This
so
is
far.
actually like pure destruction, bro. It is not close. I have all
Oh my
Noels, all
god.
Whisper. Now I just need Cloud. Just give me Cloud.
Well, why
Cloud
do
is
you
good
need
for
Cloud
clips
to
because that
fly
makes
you?
me never die. Yes, and GG.
Why do you need Cloud to fly you? Because I suck at flying.
No, because this is perfect for clips.
Okay. Bro, look at our bed defense.
Bro, it is not close. Like, this game is not close. I repeat, this game is not close. Bro, you have 9 kills as a whisper.
Oh my god, bro. The farmer has 7 kills.
Now let me just get the golden goose home, boys. You don't need to heal me that early. Heal me because it does 15. Bro, what are they trying?
Oh, yeah, you need to heal.
Oh, they're trying to steal it from me, though. That's the thing.
I'll just blow them when they come. Oh, one of them fell off.
One of them fell off. Nice.
No, please let me blow them off.
Bye-bye.
Oh, never mind, you got it. Wait, never mind, you didn't.
No, I did.
Oh, I got him.
Oh, he didn't even let me get the kill credit on him.
Oh,
Oh, you got him!
Wait, no, let me whisper him. Let me whisper the card so I can bring it back.
Yeah.
Let's stay there. What? No, somebody sparkled it. Get that guy. He stole it.
Who do you think you are?
And now the goose is dead. Wait, the goose is in the middle of a void, bro.
Where?
The goose fell in the void, and I don't know where it is now. Wait, it was there. What? Okay.
After all that, we finally have the golden goose. The clutch! The telepro clutch! It doesn't, none of this matters, because we're about to win the game very soon.
I gotta check chest for more items.
Bro, this is genuinely a full-on, like, slaughter fest, bro.
It is just even spawn killing, we're just dominating.
Enlightenment, please? Oh. I want enlightenment bad. Please enlighten.
Oh yeah, they bought like damage and armor upgrade, so that's why.
I'm not farming until I get an enlightened. Actually, you know what?
And a farmer gave me like 600 iron. He hasn't been buying carrots.
You know, I'm just gonna get more.
Never mind, he has, bro. He has like 10,000 carrots.
I'm gonna get a better enchant, to be honest. Even though Cloud is so funny for clips. Crit Strike 3 is goated. Oh my god, I can get a crossbow too. This is not funny.
It's GG.
You have 10 kills as a whisper. We got damage 3. It's literally Jober. That guy just fell in the void. I don't know why he did that. Oh, the whole team is on me, huh? That's cool.
Yeah. No, you stop bridging up. You're gonna like do that. Yeah, you did.
That's really cool of you. Get punched away. You're dead.
Oh, watch out! Another guy coming on the bridge.
No, because now you're running, which is crazy.
That's the sparkle guy who bows every.
Oh, nice, he did.
My...
Oh, bro.
I flew.
Oh my god, W Moon. You're actually the GOAT. You're actually the GOAT.
11 kills. Watch out,
what are you trying, bro? It doesn't work. Okay, man? It doesn't work. I've told you once. I've told you twice. I'll tell you a third time if you really need to hear it. But it doesn't work, okay, buddy? It doesn't work on me. So I don't die like I used to, okay? I just don't. I simply don't die.
Watch out, guy. Guy.
And he's dead, okay? It doesn't matter. It's not close.
There's another guy.
Bro, I'm not even trying at this point.
We're just camping mid at this point. Oh my god.
Bro, it's not funny, bro. Like, at this point, I'm not even laughing because I just feel bad.
I'm trying to steal the guard from that guy, but he probably...
Bro, this is community violations, bro.
Oh my god. Wait, 2 yellow people going to mid.
Does it look like I care? Like, does it look like it matters? Oh no, I got bowed once.
And you healed all of your HP back.
Nice fire enchant, by the way. Bro, what are you trying to do? Like, come over here.
Alright, you can run up on them. Wait, oh, you're getting bowed from all sides, bro.
Does it look like I care? Bro, por favor, I'll start going in.
There's another guy on the tree trying to bow you, bro.
Yo, like, what? Oh, crazy.
Oh,
fly.
Absolutely.
Nice, I'm going back to base.
They're gonna bow you. They can bow you, by the way, so watch out. There you go. Guy coming up, he just...
No, I made it to base in time.
Yeah, he barely...
They're so mad, bro. They have to be mad.
If they fire, oh, I have 21 M's. Check
Oh
this.
my god, we're so close to emerald armor. Hacky man, how many M's do you have? Bro, what? Wait, what age do we have, dog?
Well, now we have mine. Wait, how many M's does the farmer have, bro?
Oh,
Oh,
the farmer
got
has
master
so many
first.
diamonds, bro. Wait, 3 M's, 3 M's, 3 M's, 3 M's, 3 M's.
I have 2 M's in the chest. Check it.
One more? I only 20.
The Hacky Man 4. Check this.
No, he only has that many. Wait, Hacky man, I need like, can you give me 10? Can you give me 10? Oh my god, he put all of them in the chest.
W. Wait, do you
Bro,
have Emerald
this
Sword?
game
Oh, no,
is not fair. Just give me Cloud real quick.
Bro, imagine you die with Emerald Sword and Emerald Armor, but you don't die with Diamond Armor.
That'd be sad.
Oh my god, you have 31 kills. And I
And
have
it's not
12
close,
kills,
by the
bro.
way. Have I mentioned?
I have more kills than the entirety of Yellow combined,
Bro, he
bro.
tried to kill me. He tried to hit me off the map. Which is
Oh,
preposterous.
wait, what? Then they're gone, their base.
Does it look like it matters? It is not close. Okay?
And
I
I have
said it
speed so
once.
I can catch up to them. Maybe there was an outfit.
Oh my god! Bro, Hacky man, look at Moon's kills. And look at his kit.
Bro, I have more kills than the entirety of Yellow combined.
Yo, I would
bro.
like a few M's, please.
You have 6 M's.
Oh my god.
I'd win.
I'd win. Yeah. Hacky man, we're totally bro, we're not stoppable.
Oh,
Who's trying? Bro, what are you trying to do? I just don't
trying to get
understand the goal.
here, bro.
Bro, I don't understand the game plan. That's the thing, okay? It's like, what is going on inside their head when they see a fully emerald juiced up guy, like in all this stuff? Like, I don't understand the thought process.
He wants the mining juice, bro. Bro, just total on him. Yeah, he's dead. Never mind. He's a
So I don't
scary
care.
Boom! Just bunch of. Wait, what? What? How did he even pro there?
Can I do this? Yeah, I'd say so. Nah,
I
I'd
killed a
win.
little too early, but it's fine.
Nah, I'd win. Oh my god, I'm alive!
No. Bro, the miner's gonna get all of your loot.
Heal me, heal me, heal me, heal me.
I'm on cooldown.
I 4v1
bro,
them, bro.
You already healed the max, bro. That's what OP the healing is.
What the?
What's Yellow trying to do, bro? Oh, Titan blocked away. We need him. I'm gonna get Emerald Armor as Whisper.
Bro, you deserve it at this point. Oh my god.
Let me knock them off.
GG. Bye bye.
No, he didn't. He toggled.
I don't care, bro. That's the thing. Like, they can survive for now, but later into the game, there's no more running.
God, I got 3 shots on him. Wait, knock him off, knock him off. Come on. No, the like tree thing blocked my way.
I'm sorry, I sold. Bro, what is he?
Wait. Oh, I tried. Wait,
nice
did he?
That was the dumbest pearl I've ever seen, bro. What are you doing?
Wait, he's supposed to survive though. Oh,
bro, brother, like after all of that, you just died and gave me 14 emeralds. Thank you so much, good friend. Bro, boar. He said boar, by the way, guys.
The farmer has 80. Oh no, I can't stay at base because the beds are gonna break and I'm gonna die. And so he's sparkling.
No, Moon, I think this is the part where we can leave each other now.
Yeah, okay. No, don't leave.
Bro, as sad as I am to leave you, I do have all the cloud I'll ever need. I do have one gloop that
I'm gonna ask Derek for M's. And I have M's. Why did I do it like that? Who took pumps?
Bro, the miner's trying to get all the juice from me. It does not work, buddy. It does not work. It never has worked. The first time it didn't work. Second time it didn't work. This time it won't work.
Oh, okay? I'm dead. Dad,
this time it didn't work.
Bro, I died.
You died, but you get to watch me destroy kids for another few minutes.
Yeah, and my 14 kills as whispers forever cemented.
Where did he go?
You have cloud, right?
Yeah. Bye. Oh,
All
what?
being senseless. Everybody is caught, bro.
You
Oh,
think they're
actually
making
dying.
an impact on me or something?
Kill.
Bro, it doesn't do anything to me, bro.
Oh, I have Emerald Arm. We have Emerald Sword too, right? Because
Nope.
the farmer has like... Oh, well, ask him for M's then. He has like 80 M's.
Bro, I'm just going everywhere, bro. It doesn't... Should I go in there and punch all of them and leave? I could do that, yeah.
No, they have guards. All. He's gonna do like 20 damage to you. Yeah,
Jesus.
look how much health you got.
Nice, that's one.
Wait, can you spark? I think you can sparkle the guards. Wait, no, you can't. Actually, I think he needs to do like direct the sparkle.
You're dead. Bye.
Oh my god, bro, the pumpkins.
Bro, don't touch my boy Hacker Man, okay? Hey, I give you a warning, bro. Watch your tone, bro.
Oh, Pac-Man got his tone watched almost.
I said, watch your tone, bro. I said, watch your tone, man.
Oh, and Yell's wiped. And Pink is only one person guy. Pink's over here. Let's go Gibble off. Attack. I attack emoted.
I almost suffocated, nice.
Well, somebody's gonna kill him. Oh, Hacky Man. Wait,
let me get this last kill. Please.
No, team member get it though. You gotta race him for the kill. Pearl on him. Are you gloops? Bro, how's
no, teammate!
Bro, I almost got the 12,000 damage thing.
Bro, look at my kills this game. Oh my...
Bro, look at my kills!
Bro, Moon has more kills than the farmer who made it to the end of the game, bro.
Bro, what
do you call this game? It is not close, bro.